Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all well. As always, today I am back with a new tutorial. You can see on the screen that visit your favorite websites more easily and quickly. I mean, we all have some favorite websites that we use every day. Since we have to use it constantly, it is quite a hassle for us to go to the browser and see the addresses again and again. That's why we bookmark certain websites or pin them onto the home page. This ensures fast website loading, but you can navigate your website faster than you want. Today, we will see how to pin specific websites to the taskbar. Let's check it out. Before starting my tutorial, I am requesting all of you to subscribe my channel, and if already subscribed, thanks a lot. Let's check it. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfur Rahman, the digital expert. At first, I will start with the Microsoft Edge browser. We are those who are lover of the Microsoft Edge. Just click it, Microsoft Edge browser. Open the Microsoft Edge browser. Then open your favorite websites. This is my favorite websites, I mean my personal websites. Now you have to go to the three dot menu of this browser that is located on the right corner of this browser. This is the three dot menu. Right click, just click, sorry, not right click, just click the three dot menu and go to the more tools, then click the pin to taskbar. All that is done, all are done. Now we will search where is our pinned website. This is my pinned website. Yes, that is stored on the taskbar menu. Now I will check it whether it opens or not. Just click and super fast opening, and I'm sure it will save your time. That is no doubt at all. So let's do the second setting of our Chrome browser. It is for those who are the lover of Chrome browser. Just open the Chrome browsers. Open the Chrome browser. Just open your favorite sites. Then similar to the Microsoft Edge, again you have to go to the three dot menu of this browser. This is the three dot menu of the Chrome browser. Just click and go to the more tools. After going to the more tools, then you have to find out the create shortcut, and you have to now wait a bit of seconds for coming up the pop-up menu of these Chrome browsers. Create notification, it will come up within a few seconds. Just we are waiting for the pop-up menu of this browser. Yes, the pop-up menu has been come up. Just click create. Now close it. Yes, the shortcut has been created on the desktop. Now we have to click the right button of your mouse. Just click the right button of your mouse. Then you have to find out where is the pin to taskbar. This is the pin to taskbar. Just click it. Then work has done. This is the Chrome browser pinned that is stored on the taskbar menu. Just click it and it will also save your time. Open your desired websites within a few seconds. Dear viewers, I hope this tutorial will help you to save a bit of time and also very helpful for you. Hope you have learned about several things in this video. So that's it for today. See you next video. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me www.loot11.com. Thanks.